everybody. Welcome to the last day before spring break. Yay. I hope that you are all well and that you're all healthy and that you are social distancing and washing your hands. So today there is no new content. You are just submitting any late work that you have and emailing me with any questions that you have. So I just want to point out a couple things on the Haiku page, and then let you get to it. So down here on the Haiku page, you can see this is updated already. If you're on the page on Wednesday, you'll notice that this is already up. But this is a list of the assignments that we have done. So what I would like for you to do is to go on to PowerSchool and make sure that you have submitted all of them. Remember, because quarter 4 is worth 50% of your semester 2 grade, these things are worth a lot more right now than they would be normally. So even though the exit tickets are one practice point, because there's only a handful of points in the gradebook for quarter 4 so far, these have a big impact on your grades. So make sure that you have submitted those things. If there is something that you think you have submitted, if you could submit it to me again and make sure you hit a submit button on the Google form, that would be great. I have been trying to keep up every day with new things coming in to the Google Forms, but if you could just resubmit it, that would be fantastic. Email me if you're having any problems. Another thing I want to put on your radar, notice down here it says link for AP review videos. That will take you to this page. This is a virtual lesson from an AP teacher from Wisconsin. She is an AP reader. This is actually 8.1 sources of pollution, so you've actually already learned this stuff, but if you would like a review on it, it's 41 minutes of a YouTube video. I've not watched it yet, but I just wanted to let you know what's up. Tomorrow they're going to put up human impacts on ecosystems, and then I think this one is Friday maybe? Yeah, they're going to put up an endocrine disruptor lecture. So just things that might be interesting to you. Yeah, that I think is it for me from today. So check for your any missing assignments and submit them. Email me if you have questions. I do have office hours today, Thursday, from 1 to 2 p.m. So hop on, say hello. I'll be available via email as well. Please take care of yourselves over break. Take a break. I am not going to assign you any new work over break because this has been enough as it is. So please make sure that you're taking care of each other, taking care of yourselves, social distance, wash your hands. Let's get through this together. I hope you all have a good spring break, and I will see you in April. Bye. Maybe. Oh no.